Hello guys, we've got for sale a trade-in Fiat Punto. It's been driven down from Manchester to collect a vehicle, BMW we've sold. So we're selling it as spares or repair, even though the vehicle does run and drive, engine sounds well, gearbox operates, and as I say, the customers drove down from Manchester, but purely because of what it is, we're selling without a warranty, although it has a long MOT until the 13th of November this year. I'm going to show you a few body panels that we know have damage. So front grille, small crack in the front bumper and the grille this side, and a large scrape down the side of the car here. It's fairly superficial on the door, but it is dented on the rear door. There's a scrape on the arch there. All the tyres have got good condition. I'll show you from the rear. Again, badge missing. Fairly tidy around the rear end and this side for the year of car. Good tyre tread that side. As you see, fairly reasonable under the bonnet, runs pretty well. Looks like it's got a new battery on it. Very dirty inside. I'll show you this front tyre tread. So I hope you're good at valeting. So we've got some parts of a Christmas tree in the back here as well. Seats are all reasonable condition. There's no warning lights on the dash. So there's a handbrake light on there, but if you take that off, it's on for city driving, and the lights and heaters are on just to show you that's working. But yeah, runs pretty well. Give it a rev up for you. Auxiliary belt squeak there on startup as well. What's it worth? We'll put it on bids for you. Thank you.